Lately, people are earning tens of thousands of dollars with the TikTok creativity program. For the people that don't know, this is TikTok's answer to YouTube Shorts. Creators are able to earn up to $1 per 1,000 views for videos longer than 1 minute. And with Faceless videos getting millions of views, it's no surprise people are earning tens of thousands of dollars. That's why I decided to dive deep into TikTok, and I managed to find a faceless niche that is getting millions of views. This faceless TikTok account in this niche got over 16 million views last month, which would mean that they have earned around $16,000 in a single month. And here, another account creating the exact same videos got a video with 4 million views just a couple of days ago. Or this account also creating the exact same videos. They posted their first video only 15 days ago, and they already managed to get 2 million views in total. They all use AI to create their scripts, the voiceover, and captions. So you are probably wondering, what's this so-called niche you are talking about?